Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We've got a different type of video for you today. It is a haul video.
Woo!
We love Aldi because Aldi is very reasonably priced and they have a lot of organic things. They have
a lot of vegan stuff now,
too. They have a lot of vegan stuff off and on, nothing reliable. Like sometimes they'll have tofu, sometimes they won't have tofu, sometimes they'll have cauliflower bites, then they won't have cauliflower bites. They keep rotating new things.
Which is fun.
It's fun, but it's also like, I'd really like to go back and buy, you know.
I know.
But it's nice to be exposed to new things all the time and then try and maybe recreate them at home if we really like them. So we went shopping at Aldi today, amongst other stores, but I guess we're just going to talk
This is all about Aldi.
About Aldi. Well, we will talk about Target, though. Got a couple things from Target, but let's begin on the table here. First of all, we got this beautiful case of Stee's green tea. This is really, really good, and it's usually quite expensive at the supermarket. This case of 12 was $9.99, I think it was. So if you haven't had Stee's before, it's green tea with stevia in it, and it's really tasty. It doesn't have
flavors too.
Yeah, it's got peach and lemon and berry, and it's really good. I really enjoy it. It's a little bit of a pick-me-up in the middle of the day, and I like that. And it's very low in calories as well. I got my taco seasoning, as I have been getting lately. It was like 35 cents or something like that.
Dang!
I know, it's like so cheap. This, name brand at the supermarket would be like $1.49, $1 on sale. But that's what I'm saying. The theme here is, hey, we can eat really good food for not a lot of money. They also have housewares too, that they continually rotate the stock seasonally.
A lot of gardening stuff too.
Well, because now it's gardening season, so they're going to have that for a few weeks, and then they'll have summer stuff. They'll have barbecue stuff. They'll have, all through the holidays, and they have so many interesting things. So these at Sam's Club would have been like $25, and now that I got them at Aldi for $14.99.
Nice.
And I love these Edison lights. Yes, they're not LED, but I'm not going to leave them on all the time. It's just going to be for special times. Maddie got herself a beautiful rag rug for her room for
I can't wait to put this in my room. $5 is insane.
I know, right? This same rug at like Pier 1 would be like $25.
Yeah, it's so bright and colorful too.
I love it. I love it. And I think it's going to go great with your room.
Oh, thank you.
Because this is like the color of your room, kind of like this purpley.
Yeah, mine's more of like mine's more purpley.
Yeah, like a dark lavender. Got a new puppy, so I had to get some.
Not at Aldi.
Yeah, this was Aldi.
No, I mean a puppy.
Oh. Yeah, I got him at the shelter. So he pees a lot on the floor still, so we got some wet cloth refills. Normally I would use microfibers, but I'm not about cleaning up pee with microfibers and washing it. It's not a diaper service here. Nobody was on the phone. Nobody that I want to talk to anyway. So then we got some mock meats here. I love Aldi chicken mock meats. They are my absolute favorite. We got patties and we got tenders. For Earth Day week, they had a whole bunch of stuff that is like healthy-ish.
Healthy snacks.
Healthy snacks. Right now, cauliflower in everything is all the rage. So these happen to be accidentally vegan. We got some cauliflower crackers. They also had a cheese variety that had milk in it, but we said, no thank you, sir. We are vegan, and we are going with the accidentally vegan ones. Thank you. We also got this accidentally vegan Taco Bell kit with actual Taco Bell mild sauce.
Whoa.
Got that. Got some vanilla because they have the best price on the vanilla. Not vanilla, not imitation vanilla. This is actual vanilla extract. Yes. Got a little palm to hold my husband over because usually I buy it at Sam's Club, but my refrigerator is so chock full right now. I do not have room for a giant palm in there. Some couscous because that's Maddie's absolute favorite. And it was on sale for $1 a box, which was nice. My guilty pleasure, the Girl Scout knockoff Thin Mints cookies. We got 2 different types of hummus, and they say vegan right on there, don't they? Is that what that says?
No.
Nope. But they are
But
vegan.
we checked.
Yeah, so we got cucumber dill and spinach artichoke. Love spinach artichoke. We got an organic tomato and basil pasta sauce. Doesn't have sugar in it. That's like one of my main things about pasta sauce. I hate when they have high fructose corn syrup or any sugar in it. So I won't buy it if it's got sugar. So this was $2.19, I think it was. We got a cute little plant.
That was from ShopRite.
That was from ShopRite for $1.99. These diced tomatoes with the seasoning in them, 35 cents a can.
Nice.
That's a great, great, great price. I'll say that 3 times because I got 3 cans. We got a take and bake that got a little casualty in the car.
Oops.
These are so good on soup night. Love it. Blueberries, tomatoes, peppers, carrots, organic bananas. They have really good prices on produce. Some English cukes. These were like $1.19 each. Some green leaf lettuce.
Well, this is from ShopRite.
Yeah, we got the pizza skins for tonight at ShopRite. We also have a puppy. So we got paper towels.
Was that at Aldi?
Yes, this was at Aldi. And then they had, for Earth Day week, quinoa chips, salt and vinegar flavor.
Oh, I can't wait to try those.
So nice. They also had edamame and lentil.
Edamame?
Yeah, my mommy said I could eat it. Garlic and hummus. They also had a hummus chip, but it had milk in it. So we said, good day, sir. We will pass. Then they also had edamame and lentil Hawaiian style onion.
That sounds good.
You know, that's like a sweet onion.
Yeah, delicious.
And
those are not from Aldi. This is an Aldi haul. No.
You sure?
Yes.
We're not showing those then.
This is an Aldi
You'll
haul.
have to go watch our vlog videos on Mad Roasty Vlogs if you want to see what we got at Target. So that's what we got in our Aldi haul. I think it was really good. I think, what did we pay? $100 for everything. So I think that was a pretty awesome price for all of the things that we got at Aldi. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me know if you love Aldi or not in the comments, or if you're a Trader Joe's girl or boy. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you subscribing and liking the video. And until next time, much love.